In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your HubSpot content. We'll start in your browser, head to your favorite search engine, type HubSpot, and open the official site. Sign in to your account as you normally would. If you manage multiple portals, make sure you're in the correct one, and confirm you have permission to edit website pages so everything we do sticks. Inside HubSpot, move your mouse over the main navigation on the left to locate the content area, then choose Website Pages. This takes you to the list of sites and pages you can edit. Find the website where you want the video to appear and open the page you want to work on. Give it a second to load the editor. In the page editor, look to the left panel and click the plus icon to add a new module. In the search field that appears, type Video. You'll see the Video module come up. Click it, then drag and drop it into the section of your page where you want the video to live. You can reposition it later, so don't worry about being perfect on the first try. Placing it near relevant copy usually improves engagement. With the video module selected, you have two simple paths. First, Embed. Choose this if your video is already hosted on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Paste the video URL into the field, and HubSpot will pull it in for playback. This is quick and keeps page weight light. Just double-check that the video's privacy or share settings allow embedding. Second, HubSpot Video. Choose this when you want to upload a file directly from your computer and host it in HubSpot. Click Upload, browse to the video file you want, and select it. While it uploads and processes, keep your browser tab open. For best results, use a compressed MP4 and clear, descriptive file names. Shorter clips tend to convert better, and adding captions can boost accessibility and watch time. Once the video is in place, click Apply Changes. That commits the module's settings to your page draft. You can use the preview to see how it looks on desktop and mobile, adjust the size or alignment in the left panel, and fine-tune padding so the layout feels balanced. When the playback and placement look right, you're all set. The video is now part of your HubSpot content.